You probably already know that I sold my old track bike. I really miss that bike. I have so many beautiful memories with that bike, and that's why I kept the fairings. To refill that emptiness, I'm going to make this bike into a street legal replica of my old race bike. One of the biggest changes is going to be a very special Termignoni exhaust, what I will reveal later in this video. To start the rebuild, we are going to remove all of the fairings. I'm so curious how it's going to look when it's all on the bike. Ta-da! Ollie. This was glued, I think. So. I'm so curious how the exhaust will look. I can't wait. It looks so different. Now it's a naked. Luckily, I get some help. Some parts you have to have men. They are very strong to disassemble the exhaust. This is the brain of the bike. It's important to cover the intake because you don't want anything inside of the engine. It's magic! Oh, oh. Look at all these parts that I removed from my bike. So many. Luckily, I get some help because it was very tight, but it's off. Another part. We are also putting some tape around here because we don't want anything in the exhaust or in the engine as well. Better safe than sorry. So we removed everything that's important. Now it's time to wash my hands and then we're going to reveal the new exhaust. It's finally time to reveal the new exhaust. Ta-ta-ta-ta! Beautiful parts of the exhaust. This racing exhaust is fully titanium. We are going to build this beautiful exhaust on this bike in the next episode. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!